What if I told you that the future of artificial intelligence isn't being built by big tech giants alone, but by decentralized networks that anyone can participate in? Today, me, Crypto Cobra, is diving into the top 5 AI crypto projects that are literally reshaping how we think about machine intelligence, data ownership, and the digital economy. By the end of this video, you at home there will understand why these projects could be the next backbone of Web3's AI crypto. Let's dive in. In today's video, I'm covering the intersection of AI and cryptocurrency, the two most explosive technologies of our time. Before we dive into today's countdown, make sure you at home there smash that like button and subscribe, because a lot of you out there watching my videos haven't subscribed, so make sure you support my channel and do so. Now, why should you care about AI projects? Simple. Well, companies like OpenAI and Google are building centralized AI systems. These 5 projects I'm going to talk about are creating something completely different: decentralized AI networks where the power belongs to the community, not corporations. Let's count down from number 5. Coming in at number 5, we have Ocean Protocol. And yes, the name is perfect because they're creating an ocean of data that AI models can actually access and monetize. Here's the problem Ocean solves. Data is the new oil, but most of it is locked away in corporate silos. Companies hoard their data, researchers can't access what they need, and data creators aren't getting paid for their valuable information. It's like having oil reserves that nobody can use. Ocean Protocol flips this on its head. They built a decentralized marketplace where anyone can publish, discover, and consume data while maintaining privacy and control. Think of it as Amazon of data, but completely decentralized. Here's what makes Ocean fascinating. They use something called compute to data technology. Instead of having sensitive data around the internet, which is risky and expensive, they bring the computation to where the data lives. So you can train AI models and private data sets without ever seeing the actual data. Mind-blowing, right? The Ocean token powers this entire ecosystem. Data providers earn Ocean when their data sets are used. Data consumers pay Ocean to access information, and the whole system is governed by Ocean holders. Real-world impact: they're already working with organizations like Mercedes-Benz for automotive data sharing and supporting climate change research by making environmental data more accessible. This isn't just theoretical, it's happening now. But here's the kicker: as AI models get more sophisticated, they're going to need exponentially more data. Ocean Protocol is positioning itself to be the infrastructure that feeds AI revolution. At number 4, we have Near Protocol, and while they might be known primarily as a layer 1 blockchain, their AI initiatives are absolutely game-changing. Near Protocol isn't just another blockchain. They built what they call the Blockchain Operating System, or BOS. But here's where it gets interesting for AI. They're creating an ecosystem where AI agents can seamlessly interact with blockchain applications, smart contracts, and decentralized services. Picture this: an AI assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but actually executes transactions, interacts with DeFi protocols, manage your digital assets, and even participate in DAOs on your behalf. That's the vision Nerve is building towards. Their secret weapons, sharding technology. That that can scale to millions of transactions per second with near zero fees. This is crucial for AI applications because machine-to-machine transactions happen at lightning speed in a massive volumes. But wait, there's more. Near Protocol has launched something called the AI Research DAO, which is funding cutting-edge AI research and development. They're not just providing infrastructure, they are actively advancing AI science through decentralized governance. If all of this doesn't make sense to you, I just put everything in a short video so you can just note the actual companies or projects as I go. One of the more exciting developments is Near AI, which allows developers to build AI-powered applications directly on the blockchain. Imagine decentralized AI apps and where the intelligence is distributed across thousands of nodes instead of controlled by one company. The Near token is your gateway to this ecosystem. You can stake it to secure the network, use it to pay for AI computations, and participate in governance decisions about the platform's future. What really sets Near apart is their human-readable account names and incredible user experience. While other blockchains feel like using DOS, Near feels like using a modern operating system. This matters because mainstream AI adoption needs mainstream usability. Number 3 is going to blow your mind. It's Render Network, and they're turning their entire world into a massive AI supercomputer. Here's the brilliant insight behind Render. There are millions of GPUs sitting idle right now. Gaming rigs, mining setups, professional workstations, all this computational power is being wasted while AI researchers and 3D artists are paying premium prices for cloud computing. Render Network connects these two sides of the equation. Think of it as Airbnb but for GPUs. If you have spare graphic card power, you can rent it out and earn RNDR tokens. If you need computational power for AI training, 3D rendering, or complex simulations, you can tap into distributed network at a fraction of traditional cloud costs. But this isn't just about cost savings, it's about democratizing access to AI infrastructure. Right now, only big tech companies and well-funded startups can afford a massive computers resources needed to train cutting-edge AI models. Render Network is changing that by making high-end computing accessible to everyone. The RNDR token isn't just a payment, it's proof of work completed. When your GPU processes a rendering job for AI training tasks, you at Thunder earn tokens based on the computational work you've contributed. It's like Bitcoin mining, but instead of solving arbitrary puzzles, you're contributing to actual useful AI and creative work. And with Apple's new M3 chips and Nvidia's latest GPU becoming more powerful and efficient, the network effect is accelerating. More power means better results, which attracting more users brings more GPU providers, creating this incredible flywheel effect. Coming in strong at number 2, we have Fetch.ai. They are building something that sounds like pure science fiction, autonomous economic agents that can think, learn, and transact on behalf of humans. Imagine this scenario. You want to book the perfect vacation, and instead of spending hours comparing flights, hotels, restaurants, and activities, you deploy an AI agent that negotiates with other AI agents representing airlines, hotels, and service providers. These agents bargain on your behalf, considering the preferences, budgets, and constraints, utility, securing the best possible deal while you're at home sleeping in your bed. That's not fantasy, that's what Fetch.ai is building right now. The platform creates autonomous economic agents, or AEAs. These are AI programs that perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions in the digital economy. But here's the revolutionary part. They can own and control digital assets enter into smart contracts and participate in markets without human intervention. The implications are staggering. Supply chains could optimize themselves in real time, energy grids could automatically balance supply and demand, financial markets could operate with near perfect efficiency. The Fetch token powers this autonomous economy. Agents spend Fetch to access services, earn Fetch on providing value, and stake Fetch to participate in network governance. It's like having a universal currency AI agent. Real-world applications are already emerging. They're working on autonomous parking systems where your car's AI agent negotiates with parking space AI agents to find and reserve the optimal spot. They're developing supply chain solutions where products essentially manage their own logistics. And taking the #1 spot, we have Bittensor with their TAO token. And folks, this might be the most ambitious AI project in the entire crypto space. The first time I actually talked about Bittensor, I think the coin was around $40 or something. And if you look at it now, it's higher, much higher, around 5 or 6x from the first time I talked about it. Bittensor is building nothing less than a decentralized machine learning network. Imagine Bitcoin, but instead of miners computing to solve cryptographic puzzles, they're computing to produce the most valuable machine intelligence. So here's how it works. The network consists of miners who train and run AI models and validators who evaluate quality and usefulness of these models. The best AI models earn TAO tokens, creating a market-driven evolution of artificial intelligence. This is absolutely revolutionary because it solves one of AI's biggest problems, and it's centralization. Right now, the most powerful AI models are controlled by a handful of tech companies. GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and you have new agents called Manus AI, etc. Bittensor flips this completely. It creates a marketplace where thousands of different AI models compete and collaborate. The network automatically discovers which models are most useful for which tasks and rewards accordingly. It's like having a decentralized Google Brain or OpenAI that belongs to everyone out there. But here's where it gets really wild. Bittensor doesn't just host individual AI models, it creates specialized sub-networks, each focused on different aspects of intelligence. There are subnets for text generation, image creating, data scraping, mathematical reasoning, and more. Each subnet is like a specialized AI laboratory contributing to the collective intelligence. The TAO or Tau token is a lifeblood of this ecosystem. Miners earn Tau for contributing valuable AI capabilities. Validators earn Tau for properly evaluating model quality. Users pay Tau to access the network's collective intelligence, and holders can stake Tau to participate in governance. What makes this truly exciting is the incentive alignment. In traditional AI companies, there are always tension between making models better, and the better your AI models performs, the more Tau you earn. This creates an unstoppable drive towards more capable, more useful artificial intelligence agents. So there you have it. Top 5 AI crypto projects in my personal opinion. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment your thoughts what your AI project is. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.